Haute Couture Chronicles, luxury fashion hauls and reviews. Welcome, LuxLife Unleashed viewers, to a journey into the epitome of elegance and sophistication. I'm thrilled to present a special series on our channel, Haute Couture Chronicles, Unleashing Luxury Fashion. Today, we'll unravel the stories behind iconic fashion pieces, explore the meticulous craftsmanship that defines haute couture, and venture into the realm of personalized styling. Join us as we embark on a visual odyssey through the world of opulence and style, where fashion becomes an art form. This is LuxLife Unleashed, and these are the Haute Couture Chronicles. Welcome to the realm of opulence and style, where fashion transcends mere clothing and transforms into a statement of elegance and individuality. In the Haute Couture Chronicles, we delve into the world of luxury fashion hauls and reviews, exploring the crème de la crème of designer collections that define the epitome of sartorial excellence. 1. The art of unboxing luxury. Unboxing luxury fashion is not merely a transaction. It's an experience steeped in anticipation and craftsmanship. In this segment, we meticulously detail the rituals surrounding the unboxing of iconic luxury brands. From the prestigious blue boxes of Tiffany Co. to the understated elegance of Chanel's packaging, we explore how these visual and tactile elements contribute to the overall allure of luxury fashion. Through engaging visuals and narrative, we aim to convey the sensory journey of opening a package and the emotions it evokes. Each unboxing becomes a story, unraveling the brand's heritage and commitment to providing a memorable, immersive experience. 2. Runway to reality. The transition from the runway to reality is a pivotal moment in the life cycle of haute couture. We closely examine key pieces from renowned collections, shedding light on the design philosophies, inspirations, and innovative techniques employed by fashion houses. Through detailed reviews and visual showcases, we bridge the gap between the conceptual artistry presented on the runway and the tangible, wearable pieces that become coveted staples in a discerning wardrobe. Whether it's dissecting the craftsmanship of Valentino's ethereal gowns or unraveling the avant-garde creations of Alexander McQueen, we offer insights that go beyond surface aesthetics, providing a deeper understanding of the fashion landscape. 3. Luxury fashion icons. Celebrities and fashion icons serve as living embodiments of haute couture, influencing trends and shaping the narrative of what defines timeless style. In this segment, we curate explorations into the wardrobes of these influential figures. Through in-depth analyses and exclusive interviews, we unveil the stories behind their fashion choices, shedding light on the symbiotic relationship between designers and the individuals who bring their creations to life. From red carpet glamour to everyday street style, we decode the ensembles that have become iconic moments in fashion history. By delving into the closets of these style mavens, we aim to inspire our audience and showcase how individuality and personal expression converge with the world of high-end fashion. 4. The exquisite craftsmanship. The heart of haute couture lies in its meticulous craftsmanship, and in this segment, we take a deep dive into the artistry that defines luxury fashion. We go behind the scenes, offering a glimpse into the ateliers where skilled artisans bring designer visions to life. Through detailed features and interviews, we explore the techniques involved in creating couture garments, from hand-stitched embroidery to the selection of rare and bespoke fabrics. By unraveling the secrets of craftsmanship, we aim to foster a profound appreciation for the dedication, precision, and expertise that elevate haute couture to the pinnacle of sartorial excellence. 5. Reviews beyond the surface. Our reviews transcend superficial evaluations, aiming to uncover the deeper narratives woven into each piece of haute couture. We analyze the socio-cultural influences, historical references, and broader impacts of fashion choices. Through thoughtful critique, we address issues such as sustainability, inclusivity, and innovation within the luxury fashion sphere. By contextualizing fashion within a broader societal framework, our goal is to encourage a meaningful dialogue about the role of haute couture in shaping and reflecting cultural values. 6. Luxury lifestyle. Haute couture extends beyond clothing, encompassing a lifestyle characterized by sophistication and exclusivity. This segment explores the luxurious accoutrements that complement a discerning taste for high-end fashion, from exclusive accessories to bespoke beauty products. We curate and review items that harmonize with the world's leading designers. Additionally, we delve into the finer details of maintaining a luxurious lifestyle, covering fragrance choices, home decor inspired by renowned designers, and other elements that contribute to a holistic experience of opulence. Our exploration of luxury lifestyle goes beyond material possessions, emphasizing the essence of a refined, elevated way of living that resonates with the haute couture ethos. 7. Exclusive collaborations and limited editions. In this segment, we delve into the world of exclusive collaborations between luxury fashion houses and other creative entities. From partnerships with renowned artists to limited edition releases, we explore the unique fusion of artistic expressions. By providing in-depth insights into the collaborative process, we aim to showcase how these partnerships push the boundaries of traditional fashion, resulting in pieces that are not only visually stunning, but also culturally significant. Whether it's a limited edition handbag adorned with artwork, or a clothing line inspired by a famous collaboration, we bring forth the stories behind these extraordinary creations. 8. Trend-setting events and fashion weeks. Fashion is not just about garments, it's a cultural phenomenon, and the runway serves as its grand stage. This segment immerses readers in the world of trend-setting events and prestigious fashion weeks. From the glamour of Paris Fashion Week to the avant-garde showcases of emerging designers, we provide comprehensive coverage and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Interviews with designers, reviews of standout collections, and analyses of emerging trends contribute to a dynamic exploration of the ever-evolving landscape of high-end fashion events. 9. Personalized styling and fashion consultations. Haute Couture Chronicles extends beyond showcasing luxury pieces. It's about helping individuals curate their expressions of style. In this segment, we explore personalized styling services and fashion consultations offered by top-tier fashion houses. From tailoring outfits to suit individual preferences to recommending accessories that enhance personal flair, we guide readers on how to infuse their wardrobes with a touch of haute couture. Through expert insights and first-hand experiences, we empower our audience to navigate the world of luxury fashion with confidence and sophistication. 10. Emerging designers and artisanal craftsmanship. While established fashion houses dominate the haute couture landscape, we also shine a spotlight on emerging designers and artisans who contribute to the evolving narrative of luxury fashion. Through profiles and features, we introduce readers to the visionaries pushing the boundaries of creativity and craftsmanship. By showcasing the work of these rising stars, we celebrate diversity in design and highlight the importance of supporting artisanal talent, fostering a deeper appreciation for the artistry that defines the future of haute couture. As we conclude this episode of Haute Couture Chronicles on LuxLife Unleashed, we hope you've enjoyed the immersive journey into the world of luxury fashion. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive content, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and in-depth explorations of the finest things in life. Stay tuned for our next installment, where we'll continue to unleash luxury into every aspect of your lifestyle. Until then, live life unapologetically luxurious. This is LuxLife Unleashed, signing off.